This is me, Inayat Afridi from LEEDS College, Peshawar. How are you today? Fine, I hope so. In today's lecture, I will talk about types of vocabulary. We have two types of vocabulary, including the active vocabulary and the passive vocabulary. Active vocabulary as type of vocabulary or set of words that we use ourselves, but the passive vocabulary is the additional words we understand but we do not use them in sentences. Keep this point in your minds that the passive vocabulary is always bigger than the active vocabulary, and the passive vocabulary of a typical moderately well-educated person ranges from 50,000 words to 250,000 words. According to conservative estimates, the poet of the West, Shakespeare, a well-renowned poet and dramatist, had more than 25,000 active words and its practical usage. Keep in touch with English. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for time.